like between 0 and 100 or 1 and 100, however you like. And the thing is, one gets to have, let's say, 10 tries, or let's say infinite number of tries. That's gonna be easier. But we're missing one thing here. If you want to make several tries, what we need to introduce at this point to make this go forward, a loop so that this code can replay itself multiple times until some condition is met. So since we're there, we can check for loops. The for loop is going through a particular, in this case, a particular list, and it's just going to repeat something 3 times. That means as long as the list is. There's other way of using the for loop. For x is just in this case just a random letter. It can be I, can be J, can be whatever. And you write, and one writes in the range 6. That means this comment is going to print all the numbers from 1 to 6, if I recall. We can do W3 School's got this nice interface that you can check the code. And as you can see, actually it starts with x equals 0 and it stops on 5. So it's not 1 to 6, but 0 to 5. So the good thing about using W3 Schools, you can check all the code as it is any moment. You get lots of try it yourself codes, and you can change things. And you can print x plus 1. Then it recompiles, and actually it's going to show a greater value than x actually is. And this way we got this 1, 6. So it's also a full Python client in this compiler. So you can check of the results. It's a bit clunky, but it gets the job done. Okay, and so in this case, we can use 2 loops. For loop, for I in range. Let's say we want to give them 10 guesses. A loop for 10 tries. Or we can use a while loop. For example, we can make someone try something for a big number of times until some condition is met. For example, while and the condition could be, for example, if we have the Z inputs of the user, while Z is not equal random. Random would be the predefined random number from this library. Maybe I'll write a bit of this code so that where is it? Usually we import all this stuff in a new file, but let's I'll just copy it and make a new file. It's going to be the guessing game. So when importing any libraries, it's very good to have them at the top. So when in the middle of the code, you figure out that you need another library, you go back up, make some space, make another import. I'll just comment it out. libraries to be used. This one is one. Okay, so this is the comment for generating a random number. In this case, if we want to oh, okay, I see. Is it overtime? I thought we work till how much? 4 hours?
I think it's 8:45. So we are a bit overtime now.
Okay, I thought it's a bit longer. Anyway, I'll just wrap it up because this is going to be interesting application guessing game. So it might be interesting to do it as a tryout of your skills of all this stuff, and also do talk on Discord with one another and check out this stuff. If you have any problems, I'll also happily help. So what one needs is the guessing number, and just put this random 100, for example, or 1 to 100, 101 meaning 100. So this is code we had from before, and here different type of loops. So in this loop, print I, it's not going to do anything fancy, and this one, while z is not equal guessing number. And this way, when we write some code in here, then that's the way of writing this. I'll just write something, but you need to fill the code. So these are the two loops that you can use for this guessing game, if you want it to be infinite or you want it to be just 10 tries. So anyway, I'll put it on Discord, this mashed up code, so you guys can fix it and try to doing the guessing game. Thanks everybody for listening. Please give me some comments if it was too fast, or maybe there's some particular part you guys are interested in learning, then I will happily comply.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank
Thank you very much.
Bye. See you next week.
Yep. See you next week. Bye.
Next lesson next week? Not
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
In 1 week.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.